Hello to everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the problem with the quiet earpiece on iPhone phones. This one is iPhone 11 Max Pro Max. So the best way and the most professional way to solve this problem is to disassemble uh, screen and to change this net, which is plugged with dust. But that procedure is a bit complicated, and it's not easy to remove the old net. So today I will show you how to use the old used toothbrush without opening the phone. So you're not going to lose any warranty, so the phone won't be opened. Gently brush about as much as you need, but it's approximately 2 or 3 minutes. If you don't get good results, you can repeat this procedure as many times as it needed. I prefer to use just a bit alcohol. Don't put it too much, just a bit, just to clean all dust you already removed from the net. My experience is that I managed to get good results in about 80%. That's my experience, so I hope you will do it 100%. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe and give me a like. Goodbye.